Well, good morning, everyone. I thought this morning what I would do would be a brief tutorial for our child security check-in system. So I will walk through this with you for those of you who are not able to come to the parents' meeting. We will be doing check-in in the Great Hall. There will be 3 computers set up there that you can come up to and sign your children in the security check-in system before the service starts or anytime during the time that you are there. So the first thing you'll see as you come up is it says tap to check here in with passcode. So you'll just take the mouse and check in there. You'll input your passcode and then the 3 letters of your last name. And then it will find your information. And so for each child that is participating in an event, you will click on their name, and then you will click on all events that they're going to be involved in. So my son will be in Sunday school, he will be in children's church during third service, and so those are the 2 things that he will be in. And my daughter, she will be in Sunday school, and she will be in children's church during first service. And so then I will click on that and click OK. And then I will go to my other daughter and click on her information. So she will be in children's church also during first service, and she will be in Sunday school. And then for my youngest daughter, she will be in the nursery. She's in the nursery all 3 services. So I will click on that for them. And for me, since I teach Sunday school, I will check myself into Youth Sunday School there and click that. Now you'll also see over here where it says badge information that you can click on those things. Then there's 3 drop-down allergies, special needs, drop-off, and notes. So if I have any allergies, or if my son Gideon has any allergies, which he doesn't, I would just put a check by all the things that he has allergies for. Then for special needs, I have bites and wheelchairs, but if there's other things that need to be added, feel free to let me know those and I'll add those in there. So drop-off items, obviously this is more for the nursery, but if you're going to be leaving a blanket and a bottle and a diaper bag and anything else there, you'll click those things off for that. And then what you can do is for those each week, they can just be saved, right? So save notes for next check-in for that. Under the notes section, you can leave a note for something if Grandpa's picking them up or Grandma's going to be picking them up after Sunday school or whatever. You can put anything in there that you need the teacher or us to know. So you can just save badge choices and then you're done. You'll have to do that with each child. So it's kind of a headache at first to go through and to click these things for them, but once they're in, you just save those badge choices and they will all be there for that. Once you have everybody in and checked in, okay, you've got the checkoffs by their name, you have them assigned in for everything, you've got the badge information there, then all you're going to do is you're going to push complete check-in, and then it will run that, and then it will kick out your labels. And as you can see, the larger the family, the more labels you'll have. Now, to just go through this briefly, what you will see is at the very top will be the claim ticket. Okay, so it says Grace Chapel, it'll have the NQE674, and you'll see for each person that has signed in, that will be the kind of the code, the claim ticket number for each child for that week. So each week there's a new number that will be randomly given out. So this is what you need as a parent to pick up your children from the nursery, from Sunday school, from children's church. You'll need to present that to whoever is going to be there at the door to let your children out. Also, if we have your email on file, it should email you something that looks like this, that basically will have the NQE674. So in case you slide it in your Bible or it drops or whatever, you'll be able to still have that. If you do lose this, you don't have the email code with it, just come back to the check-in and talk to whoever is working the check-in booth to get a new one of these kicked out. These here are for the nursery, so it says Eve, diaper bag, toy, and sippy cup. Those things you can just give to the nursery worker. They will kind of cut those pieces and put them on the diaper bag and the sippy cup and the toy. Also, you'll see per child, you'll see everything that you've signed them in for. So Eve should be in the nursery, first service, second service, and third service. Esther should be in kindergarten and first grade Sunday school, which actually she's in preschool, but she should be there, and then children's church during first service. So all of those things are there for the labels that you will put on. In terms of the nursery, what you'll want to do is you'll take this and you'll put that on the back of your child so that we can see them as they're kind of ambling around and not pulling at it. So you'll just put that on the back of their shirt, but the rest you'll just slide that on the front of their shirt, and they will need to keep those on throughout their time during the church time. So if you have any further questions, feel free to let me know. You can email me at isaac@gracepca.com, or you can talk to me in church for more questions. Thanks so much.